Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious fried rice. First, ensure you use day-old, cold rice. This is crucial for achieving that perfect, non-sticky texture. Before cooking, gently fluff the rice with your hands or a fork to separate any clumps. Also, have all your ingredients prepped and ready to go, as fried rice cooks very quickly. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient cooking process. Now let's get cooking. Heat your wok or a large skillet to a very high temperature. This is key for that authentic fried rice flavor. Add a small amount of oil, then cook your proteins like chicken or shrimp until done, removing them from the pan. Next, quickly stir-fry your vegetables until crisp tender. Push everything to one side, add a bit more oil, and scramble your eggs directly in the pan. Once your proteins, vegetables, and eggs are cooked, it's time to bring it all together. Add your cold rice to the very hot pan, breaking up any remaining clumps. Pour your soy sauce and other desired seasonings, like sesame oil or white pepper, directly over the rice. Stir-fry everything vigorously for about 1 to 2 minutes, ensuring all ingredients are well combined and heated through. For the best results, remember not to overcrowd your pan. Cook in smaller batches if necessary to maintain high heat and achieve that perfect texture. Always taste your fried rice before serving and adjust the seasonings as needed, perhaps adding a dash more soy sauce or a pinch of salt. Garnish with fresh green onions for a burst of flavor. Also, for other great deals, and to check out the Owala water bottle, make sure to look at the link in the description below. Enjoy your homemade fried rice.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.